I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing both the green screen clip and the replacement background. This keeps everything organized. Drag the green screen layer above the background layer on the timeline so Alight Motion composites correctly. Once placed, trim and position clips so the subject aligns with the background. Make sure the project resolution matches your target export. This prevents scaling issues later. You're now ready to remove the green, move to effects, because that's where keying tools live and why layer order matters. Select the green layer and add the chroma key effect. You do this because it removes the keyed color mathematically. Use the color picker to sample the exact green on your clip, then increase tolerance incrementally to eliminate toner variations without eating the subject. Adjust edge softness and spill suppression to restore natural edges and remove green tint on hair. If edges clip, add a subtle feather or use a mask to exclude background remnants. This gives a cleaner composite and smoother transitions. Once keyed, play the sequence at full resolution to catch edge issues and color mismatch. You want a seamless blend. Add color correction to match lighting between subject and background and enable motion blur if the subject moves quickly. Export with project settings intact, choose H, 264 or HEVC, depending on quality versus file size. If you get green halos, increase spill suppression and lower tolerance, or draw a secondary mask to isolate problem areas. That single tip fixes most stubborn artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.